In my university, there wasn't a lot of conversation on gender. In the 70s, people were just beginning to articulate a set of concerns, personal and political, that were specific to gender. I got involved with Judy Chicago's feminist art program at Fresno State and followed her to Cal Arts.
We're doing this as a ritual, as an artwork, and as a social statement in order to let people see how beautiful and how meaningful your lives have been and continue to be.
A lot of women went into performance. At the time, it was harder for a woman to break into almost any field of the arts. It wasn't to become a performance artist. And that, I think, had to do with the wide open experimental nature and the fact that bodies had a certain prioritization. I was asking the question, what does it mean to be a woman and a performance artist? Is there some kind of unique representation that will emerge from the experience of being female?
I was screaming to the trees as if he weren't there, as if I wanted to hit him or scream at him, but there wouldn't have been any point because it was like screaming to a brick wall.
3 Weeks in May was very important work for me. It was the first time I worked on such a scale in the public setting. It was 2 maps of the city of Los Angeles, one showing the locations of different help organizations for women, and on the other, every day I marked the number of rape reports on their locations that I got from the police department. That mark was a deep stained rape that I stenciled onto the map, and around the outside, over the top of each mark, there were a series of lighter rapes that represented what was then believed to be 9 unreported for every 1 rape that was reported. At the point in time, it was still debated whether you could actually be raped. The definition of rape legally was debated. So being involved with City Hall was a really important move in this work. Here's where we did our final rally. We had the city council person, Pat Russell, there. We had Leslie did a performance, one of her myths of rape. It was news media, lots of feminists yelling in the audience, and about, I'd say probably maybe 300 or 400 people here. One of the most important aspects of 3 Weeks in May was to make it a topic of public conversation, understanding that public policy follows community awareness. We took advantage of this location to engage a lot of people from the media and political people as well, and that started a whole relationship with political women often, but also men who were in most of our performances. When I was working on 3 Weeks in May, I met Leslie Labowitz, who had just returned from Germany, and over the next few years, we began to work together. Our first fully collaborative work was in Mourning and in Rage.
We are here in memory of all women who have been and are being battered, raped, and killed throughout this country, a result of the pervasive and ongoing attitude of violence toward women.
In 1977, the Hillside Strangler had killed the 10th woman in Los Angeles. And Leslie Labowitz and I sat at breakfast one morning, and we were reading the newspaper, and we were really distressed, obviously with the killings, but also the media, which was covering this in a way that was super sensationalized and was really scaring women. 13 days later, we had put together women from the women's building and the women's community, about 50 people, I think, and we circled the city hall here with a long line of cars following a hearse. And the hearse pulled up here, right over there, and the women pulled up behind, got out of the cars, and they all walked up to the hillsides. Leslie was here coordinating media men on the site. So the first woman fulfilled what the media thought: 10 victims, 10 people, probably they were prostitutes, although they weren't. And the second performer was here for the 4,000 women that had been raped in the city.
I am here for the 4,033 women who have been raped in LA last year. In memory of our sisters, we fight back!
So with each woman who spoke, we broadened the parameters of violence that we were representing, including violence in the media, violence in news stories, violence in homes. We wanted to show the issue of violence was, in a sense, rather unquestioned at the time in terms of media representation. And also we wanted to challenge the way the media portrayed the way women were victims of sexual violence. At that point in time, people didn't talk about being raped. Women almost never acknowledged being raped. And so the feminist movement was just beginning to bring out from consciousness raising some of these stories. And I figured if they're being discussed in consciousness raising groups, this is a public issue. This needs to be known and debated in public.